Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to assemble the 30215 no volute BYP jet pump. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: 9/16 inch wrench, 1/4 inch driver, 8mm driver, flat blade screwdriver, and pliers. Parts you will need: you will need all these parts. Step 1. Install the rubber pad on the pump mounting bracket. Step 2. Place the jet pump on the pump mounting bracket. Put the washers on the 2 long bolts and attach the pump to the pump mounting bracket with the bolts. Step 3. Cover the rubber part of the shaft seal with grease and push it into the seal plate with the ceramic side facing outward. Step 4. Attach the seal plate to the pump with the 4 bolts using your 9/16 inch wrench. Step 5. Install the second part of the shaft seal. The side with the rubber O-ring will face the impeller. The side with the graphite surface will face away from the impeller and butt up against the white ceramic surface. Step 6. Remove the back cover with your 1/4 inch nut driver. Step 7. Install the impeller. Hold the shaft in place with pliers or a screwdriver while you hand tighten the impeller. Step 8. Install the diffuser with your 8mm driver using the 5 diffuser screws and washers. Step 9. Cover the diffuser O-ring with silicone grease and install it on the diffuser. Step 10. Reinstall the back cover with your 1/4 inch driver. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.